Hi everybody, I'm here with the Right Honourable Kim Campbell, who, as you know, is the Justice Minister who brought in the law that exists in Canada today around sexual assault. And we are just talking about the importance of training and knowledge of that law and the impact it can have on a victim or even an accused.
Well, and I think that, as we saw in some recent cases and concerns and controversies, it's one thing to have a good law, but if people don't know it, and if it's not known to the judges and the parties in the court, its provisions can't be carried out. So legal education, judicial education are all a very important part of helping that law to be the law of Canada.
Well, thank you very much, and thank you for your role in making sure that we have a good law of the land to protect people from, you know, the very difficult issue of sexual assault.
Well, it was a wonderful exercise that brought in people from so many walks of life in Canada way back in the early 90s, and I'm glad it still stands the test of time. But as I say, it is important that people know it and understand what rights it gives to accused, what right it gives to complainants or to the victims, and what obligations it imposes on those who are conducting the trials to know the law.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Good to see you, Kim.